To begin working in Omnicomm Online, you first need to input your username and password. Choose Interface Language and click Sign In. Omnicomm Online interface is separated into four main sections. The first section is on the left side with objects and groups of objects. Users can select one or more object. Users can select a group, or if it is needed, users can select an entire fleet. The next section is on the right side with functions. These include the functions Actions, Reports, Map, Graphs, and Charts. The third section is at the top of the screen. Here you can switch into Administration mode, set the reporting period, change view mode, close all windows, and log out. The last section of Omnicomm Online interface is in the middle of the screen. It is a work zone. Here, all function windows can be opened. To generate a report for an object in Omnicomm Online, you first need to select an object from the list. Next, you need to set up a reporting period. There are several preset periods, such as today, yesterday, and 7 days. Also, you can manually input the period you need. You can choose the dates of the beginning and the end of your period, and click Select when you finish. Next, choose Report from the list in the section on the right, and the report is generated. Additionally, you can select more objects. You can also select several reports. Every report in Omnicomm Online can be set up as you like. You can choose which parameters you would like to see and which parameters you would like to hide. To access report settings, click on the button Report Settings on the top right side of your window. In the opened window, check boxes with parameters that you would like to see and uncheck boxes with parameters that you would like to hide. When you have finished, click the button Save on the bottom of your window. If you need to switch between different report settings often, you can save a preset of these settings. Open your report settings, set up your report, and click Save As. Input your preset name and save it. Your new preset is now available in the functions tree near its parent report interface to ease your job. You can open either two reports, or you can split your window and open up to 4 reports. Click this button, and now you can open 2 additional reports. If your working screens are still too small, you can close the left and right panels. You can close them either by clicking the sidebars or by pressing Control left, Control right on your keyboard. All open reports in Omnicomm Online are synchronized. This means that if you change the scale of one graph, it will simultaneously be changed on other open graphs. If you choose a point on one graph, it will also be highlighted on other graphs and reports. For example, if you need to check fuel draining of the vehicle, you can click on it in your Fillings and Drainings report. And now it will be highlighted on the fuel volume graph, speed graph, and track feature. It is highlighted on all opened reports. To analyze the work of your vehicle in Omnicomm Online, you can use charts. These charts provide you with visual information. For example, the movement by period chart provides you information about movement split by days. The work by period chart provides you the same information but for an entire period. One of the most popular charts is group ratings. Using this chart, you can compare the work of several objects. You can compare it by mileage, running hours, fuel consumption, consumption by 100 kilometers, and working under load.